Hi guys, Paul here. Just figured I would waste your time with a useless video. I watch a few of the other channels and my buddy Chad or Chip, whatever, the guy, Mr. Goose from the Savage Geese, he does his little couch talks, and Eric O from South Main Auto welcomes you in. So welcome in. Should I do like Sheldon in Big Bang? No.
Welcome to my world?
Welcome to my world. But I almost chopped my finger off last week, so I haven't been able to do anything. I had a little break in the weather. It was nice and warm. I was going to do the transmission lines on the 08 Impala and replace the O-rings on the fittings, but with my finger I couldn't do that, so as soon as I'm healed up, the next break in weather I get, I'll do that. I'm a poor bastard. I don't have an inside garage to work in and no lift, so it's driveway for me, and I got to work around the weather. But I did actually get formally trained in auto mechanics, so I'm not just some shade tree idiot, even though I make a lot of mistakes and don't think half of the time, but that comes with senility. So I just wanted to say hi to you guys and let you know I'm thinking about my audience out there. I wish I could bring you some more videos, and I'm going to be working on it. I just bought this camera and tripod today. I bought a Handtech oscilloscope, 8-channel oscilloscope, so I'm going to be trying to work on doing videos with that. I'll be learning as I go too. I haven't done oscilloscope work, but I've been studying it a little bit, so hopefully we'll do more diagnostics with the scope, relative compression test, looking at some ignition waveforms and injector waveforms, and hopefully we can do some useful stuff with that. I've been thinking about doing videos on automotive theory, like the basic operation of an engine, what makes a four-stroke a four-stroke, for those of you that don't know what that actually means, the difference between a two-stroke engine and a four-stroke engine, the difference between port injection, direct injection, carbureted engines, and multiple injection, which are now, they're doing port and direct injection. Direct injection engines are excellent for performance and efficiency, but the big downfall is carbon deposits. They're using port injection along with the direct injection now to address that issue. I would be pissed if I bought a new car and after 30 to 60,000 miles I have to go through a $1,000 procedure, if not more, to get walnut blasting done on my valves because they're loaded with carbon. I think there should be some kind of law that these dealerships have to notify customers of that stuff. So, well, if any of you actually watch this video, please put in the comments what you'd like me to do in future videos, and try to keep you guys happy. Thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe to help our channel grow, and remember guys, take good care of your cars and they'll take good care of you, if you can find halfway decent parts. Take care. Bye-bye. That was useless, right?